In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the issue where Messenger notifications aren't working on your Android phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Check App Notification Settings. Locate the Messenger app on your home screen or app drawer. Long press the Messenger icon. Tap the info icon that appears. In the app info screen, tap on Notifications. Make sure the Allow Notifications toggle is turned on. You also enable important visual settings like pop-ups or sound so notifications are notifications. Step 2. Select Configure in Messenger. Make sure all the toggles here, such as message sounds, vibrate, notification previews, etc., are enabled. If none of the above steps work, last option is to check whether Do Not Disturb is enabled or not. Swipe down from the Notifications panel. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. That's it. Once you've followed all these steps, Messenger notifications should start working again on your Android phone.